Hey Facebook, it's Coach Rick. Hopefully you're having a good night, getting used to the cold. It's not snowed yet, so that's pretty good. However, what I wanted to do is offer my Christmas season, my Hanukkah season present to you. Now, I know there's been a lot of lockdown and COVID. 2021's coming up. January 1st is coming up before you know it. And it's going to be a new time to celebrate, a new season, something new to dive into change. We always have to manipulate change, because if you don't, sitting down, eating, alcohol, that catches up with you. So you always have to pay it forward. I have a lot of warriors that have changed their lifestyles and they're keeping all that stuff in check and they're aging very slowly. I unfortunately have the other population aging very quickly. And I really think that if you just have a couple of tweaks to your plan, you should be able to postpone that aging crap, the diabetes, the high blood pressure, the high cholesterol, the arthritis, and the pain pills. But it does take personalized care, and that's something I think that my colleagues don't offer. So, see, even my gaggle of geese tell me that too. So what I wanted to do was, for the next couple days, for the first 12 people that sign up, clock starts tonight, I'm going to pay for your 3 months at the Endorphin Effect Training Center. Now, my consults, I do all my consults, essentially all my patient visits online now because of COVID, but I can certainly see in the office. And I can put the link down below to my website where you can reserve a spot and see me. It's herbal411.com. Now, I don't deal with any insurance companies, so I can take your health savings account or your flexible spending account. However, the first 12 people that sign up with me in the next few days as a gift of the season, for that same price of the consult, I'll pay for 3 months of a membership at the Endorphin Effect Training Center in Bartlett. And that also includes an evaluation by the owner and one of the coaches and yoga teachers, Miwa, and myself, obviously, of course. I'll put together a plan, I'll hand you off to Miwa, and I'll take care of the rest of your things that you're coming in to see me for, the medical consult, whether it's an annual physical or just a problem-solving consult. And then your endeavors for the next 3 months will be paid for by Rick Saguil. But listen, this isn't just going to be sitting on your ass. This is going to be going to the gym, participating in some classes, getting some coach time, and then kicking some ass in 12 weeks, essentially. It goes by fast. This whole year went by fast. So I feel sorry for some of my guys. I talked to a patient tonight and he says he gained 18 pounds and he was very remiss about that. But I said, Jerry, you don't have to worry about that. We've all gained a little bit of weight. Christ, even when I went through COVID in the beginning of November, I didn't exercise for 2 weeks. It's so tough to get back into it. And then being on lockdown, just sitting in my room in isolation for 2 weeks, it's terrible. So I'm bulletproof at this point because I have antibodies and I'm going to donate blood and plasma. But anybody who hasn't had the infection yet, the vaccine will take at least 6 months to 8 months to get the majority of the population shot up. And that hopefully will give a little bit of herd immunity. That's going to be a while. We'll be into next season, next summer, fall, before we really see the effects of the vaccine, as long as there's no side effects, before we really see the effects of the vaccine kick in and protect people. So hopefully you'll take advantage of this next 12 patients, clients that come to see me. If not, the Endorphin Effect Training Center is always open. I'm always available for consults. But again, the next 12 people that sign up with me, I pay for your 3-month membership at the Endorphin Effect Training Center in Bartlett. Check it out. Follow my link down below. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and share this with other people who might be on the fence. If they're going to see me anyway, hey, tell them to sign up fast, because the next 12 people get a free pass for 3 months at the Endorphin Effect. So thanks for watching up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Stay healthy.